This is the elevator near Nordstrom, here at the Northshore Mall in Peabody, Mass. And the elevator's in use right now, so I'm going to pause the video and we'll pick it up when it gets here. Alright, our elevator just arrived. And guess what it is? That's right, it's a Schindler 330A. It's a 330A Schindler Hydro. Turquoise does not work. 125 feet per minute, 4,000 pounds. It's pretty nice. Oh, that sounded good. And I don't see anyone needing it. And here's some of the tech. And there's the mall. Let's ring the bell. And there's your analog 2006. All right, let's take it back up to 2 and listen to the motor. Stops nicely. And there it goes. And that's all she wrote.